All right, guys. So this video, just want to let you know that this video is a older video. I had pretty much created this video when I first purchased the car. I think it was a couple days after I purchased the car. But like I said, I had a lot of family stuff going on, and I just had it in my phone. Never posted it, and so why not post it? I did the work, why not post it? So that's what this video is. A lot more videos coming after this with this whole build series of the car and parts that we've installed and things that we've gotten done, and there is going to be a lot more to come. So if you're interested in the BMW content, make sure to share this, make sure to like, comment what you guys want to see, as I am listening to you guys, and we definitely got a lot more stuff coming for this car. So just wanted to give you an update, and yeah, man, let's get back to the video.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Alpha Z34, and back with another video. Early morning sun. It's a little nippy out here. Look like it might rain, but right now, we are getting ready to clean the whip. So there is a clear bra. I think that's what you call it, like a PPF. You see the car without the freaking bumper on it right there. So yeah, gotta get a bumper for this, but. Anyways, actually the bumper's up there, but yeah, whatever. But anyways, yeah, so that's not the focus of this video. The focus of this video is you guys can see like the clear bra or the PPF or whatever, the protective film that they put on it from the dealer sometimes and stuff like that, and some people have it added on. But we're gonna try to get that off today. It's the whole entire hood has this, and it looks like the whole front bumper has it as well. So definitely have a lot of work to get this off, but we're gonna do one section at a time. I'm gonna try a method out. We're gonna get this side, and then we're gonna do the whole front of the hood, and then this side, and then we'll work our way to the front bumper. But the front bumper is definitely gonna be a pain. Everything is gonna be a pain, but we're gonna see what we can do. After I do this, I'll probably give it a really good wash, get the rest of the residue off. But let's try to, as you guys can see, the wheels are, see how, you know, all the brake dust and stuff that's on the wheels, so those are really dirty. But other than that, man, it looks, like I said, it looks good, and I know once this comes off, it's definitely gonna look really good. Got a few parts in my list, bucket list, or not bucket list, shopping cart, that's gonna turn the inside of this car, you know, make it look really, really good as well. Do some stuff with the mirror caps, some carbon here, carbon there, get an upgraded hood, just stuff like that. So upgraded trunk to make it look more aggressive, but even the front up here with the grill inserts, just a lot of different things, man. So y'all gotta stay tuned. It's gonna be a dope process, and I think y'all are gonna like the turnout of this car. I'm even gonna restore the headlights and stuff like that. But all right, guys, so as you guys can see now, pretty much what's left over, this hard part is gone, right? So what's pretty much left over is just the glue. You see a little bit in there, but I'm gonna wash the car here in a second. But it's pretty much just the glue residue that's left over. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some glue adhesive remover and get the rest of that off, wipe it off. But this part right here, it looked like this before. I got the first layer off, and I just need the glue adhesive remover and remove that from the other side. So I'm gonna do this side just because I'm running out of time to do this as well, and then I'll do the big hood part later on because it is a little time consuming. All right, guys, so this is the secondary part right here, and I don't want to bore you guys to death with this whole getting all this done, right? I don't want to bore you guys to death, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to finish this, and then once I get that off, then I'll show you the finished product. But on this side right here, I just gotta clean. This is just some, as you guys can see, this comes off. Like, I just gotta rub it off. That's it. But other than that, everything is good on this side. It's completely gone. And this side right here is in the process. I got most of it off, and now I just gotta get the aftermath glue off. All right, guys, so as you can see, like I said, I have to do this whole bumper. This whole bumper is covered in PPF as well. You know, you can see it in the front, and then some of the hood right here. But as you guys can see, all the PPF, and I still have to wipe it and clean it, so you see a little streak marks, but all the PPF is gone, dude. Like, it almost looked like it wasn't even there. So looks really good. Let's see, make sure that one no scratch. Yeah, we're good. But yeah, all that's gone, dude. It looks really good. Even on this side, it's completely good. Boom. This side is done too. You can't even see where it was at. So, yeah, man. So, I don't know if this will be the end of this video. Like I said, I might show washing the car. But other than that, that'll probably be, for the most part, it on this video. Just give y'all guys the concept. I don't know if I'm going to stretch this video on and finish the hood and finish everything. But it's just going to take so much work that I'm not too sure what I'm going to do. All right, guys, so the car is dirty, man. The car is dirty. I just want to give you guys a quick update. So you are going to see some dust on it from the compound and stuff like that. I did a little bit of paint correction, and later on I'm gonna ceramic coat it and you know, all that stuff. But just wanted to give you guys an update. As you guys can see, there is no more cracked up, you know, PPF or anything like that. Like I said, you see a little bit of compound in here, but all that's coming off. But yeah, no more cracked up PPF, you know, nowhere. Like I said, there is dust on it, guys, so just to give you guys a general idea, I'll wipe the dust off right here, just so you guys can actually see what I'm talking about. But it looks way better, guys, so just wanted to give you guys that update. But with that being said, that'll be it for this video, man. Like I said before, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. I think actually the next video too is going to be, the next video is probably going to be doing the headlights. So with this bumper, I'm getting a different bumper, right? So I just wanted to clear, as you guys remember before, all this was PPF, didn't look like crap as well. All that is off now, so that's good to go. There is more PPF down here, all that stuff there at the bottom, whatever, but I really don't know if I want to mess with that and take that off, honestly, just because I know I'm getting a new bumper anyways. So I don't know if I want to even tackle that, because getting this stuff off sucks, dude. It sucks. And I'm like, in my head, I'm thinking, if I'm gonna get a new bumper, do I even want to go through all of this and taking it off? So with that being said, I don't know about that. But the next video, I'm probably going to be doing the headlights. Like I said, see you guys in the next one.